Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. In this video, I've shared how to prepare a super tasty potato curry which tastes delicious with puri and chapathi. A must-try recipe for sure. In a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons oil and 2 tablespoons ghee. The speciality of this potato curry is also in the addition of ghee, so please include ghee for the best tasting curry. Add 3 medium-sized potatoes chopped into medium-sized cubes. Fry them in batches and toss them until they turn crisp. The potatoes should be partially cooked. Take them out and keep aside. Now I'm frying the second batch of potatoes. Frying not only enhances the taste of potatoes but also ensures they don't get too mushy in the gravy. The potatoes are fried golden and crisp. Keep the fried potatoes aside. At this stage, you can take out excess oil and only keep what is required for gravy. In the hot oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Quickly saute until ginger turns aromatic. Add 1 green chilli finely chopped. Give a quick stir. Lower the flame and add 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. Saute the spice powders in oil for a minute. Add 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Saute until tomatoes turn mushy. You can add some salt for tomatoes to cook faster. The tomatoes are now well cooked. Add 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder and 1/3 teaspoon garam masala. Also add salt as required. Mix well and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Now you can add the fried potatoes. Give a good mix. This is prepared as a thin curry, so I am adding 2 cups of water. Mix well and allow to boil. Close and pressure cook for 1 whistle in medium flame. Open after all pressure is released. This curry is prepared with simple spices, but this is such a mouth-watering tasty curry. You can mash few pieces of potato to make the gravy thicker. The curry will also thicken as it cools down. Add lots of coriander leaves and enjoy hot with puri and chapathi. Thanks for watching my video so far. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.